the fourth question. See, calculate the amount of depreciation allowed in the previous year relevant to the current assessment year. Now, here are some information about the assets and its usage. Clear? Now, first, building. Actual amount account balance, that means the written down value, the opening balance is 5 lakhs and it is used for factory purpose. When it is used for factory purpose, so it comes under block 2. What will be the rate of depreciation for this? Rate of depreciation will be 10% for this category. Okay. Now, building, depending upon the nature, you have to identify the percentage. Now, building written down value is 3 lakhs and it is used for showroom other than residential purpose. If a building is used for factory, showroom or any other professional activity, then it comes under block 2, whose rate of depreciation is 10%. Clear? Next comes furniture. Furniture and fittings will come under one block only. There is only one block and whose rate of depreciation is 10%. Okay. Now, this comes under block number 6. Block number 6 with 10% depreciation. Clear? Next, plant and machinery. Plant and machinery which is used for pollution control. If it is used for pollution control, then block number 14. Okay. Block number 14 deals with this nature of asset and whose rate of depreciation is 40%. Clear? Next, building which is a temporary structure. Building with a temporary structure and it is used for business only. This kind of asset comes under which category? 40% rate of 40% is the rate of depreciation. It comes under fourth block. First block we have residential purpose. Second block we have business and professional use. Third we have temporary structure. Sorry, fourth we have temporary structure. Clear? Third we have hotels. Clear? Next, sixth one, plastic containers. Any containers which are made of glass and plastic containers and it is used in the ordinary course of business. These kind of equipments will come under block 11. Come under block 11 whose rate of depreciation is 40%. Next, patents. Patents, business use. Again, patents which are acquired 8 months ago and this is also used for business. Intangible assets come under 15th block. 15th block whose rate of depreciation is 25%. Here something else is also mentioned here, acquired 8 months ago. Any asset which is used more than 180 days in the previous year, acquired 8 months ago, then full year depreciation has to be allowed. Clear? So 25% depreciation will be allowed for these patents. Clear? Because it is intangible asset. Now coming to the solution part. Now we will do this. Calculate the depreciation as per the percentages we have discussed now. Then finally add up all the depreciation values, then you will get the total depreciation. Clear? So now for serial number 1. Next, asset. Then written down value, rate of depreciation, and finally depreciation. Okay. First we have building. Building whose written down value is 5 lakh. 5 lakh. It is used for factory. So block number 2. So 10% depreciation. It comes under block number 2. 10% depreciation will be allowed. So rate of depreciation is 10%. So 5 lakhs into 10% will give you 50,000. Clear? Next, second. Second, you have buildings whose written down value is 3 lakhs and used for showroom. This comes under block 2. 10% is the depreciation. 10% of 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs into 10% will give you 30,000. Next comes furniture. Okay, furniture 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 10%. 1 lakh into 10% is 10,000. Next, fourth one. Fourth, plant and machinery. 6 lakhs is the value. 14th block it comes under, and 40% is the depreciation rate. Now 40% is 6 lakhs into 40% will give you 2 lakh 40,000. Next, fifth one. Building temporary structure. What is the value? 2 lakh 50,000. 2 lakh 50,000 into 40% will give you 1 lakh. Next, sixth one. Plastic containers 1 lakh. Plastic containers 1 lakh. So 1 lakh into 40%, you will get 40,000. Next, seventh one. Seventh, patents 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs, 25%. 25% of 5 lakhs is 1 lakh 25,000. Next, eighth one. Patents whose value is 8 lakhs. Again 25%. 25% of 8 lakhs is 2 lakhs. Now that's all. Now how much is the total of the depreciation? Add up this last column, you will get the total depreciation. Total depreciation is 7,95,000. Yeah. So like this, you have to identify the block of assets, rate of percentage, and calculate the depreciation. Now we will go with the next problem.